In this video I will show you how to create a fully offline Bitcoin wallet using Tails Linux and Electrum Bitcoin wallet. So normally you would have a USB stick with Tails Linux on it and you would just boot your computer using that. But for the sake of this tutorial I am just going to use Tails inside VirtualBox, and I'm just quickly gonna start boot this up. Like this. This is now booted up. You should see something like this. You are just gonna wanna click Start Tails. This is really simple and easy to use. Okay, just close this one. And now I can actually, you can open this menu by actually clicking your Windows key. And here I can click Show Apps. And here you can actually see Electrum Bitcoin wallet. It is pre-installed inside the Tails Linux. So we can just use this one. Here it will say something about we don't have internet connection. This is for demo purposes only, but this is actually just what we want. So we are going to click Launch here. And here we are creating our new wallet. The name basically doesn't matter because we are never going to come back to this again. We are just using this one time and that's it. Click Next and Standard Wallet. Next. And here is actually our 12-word seed phrase. As you probably know, this is highly sensitive information and you should never share this with anyone or take a picture. This is only for the demo purpose, so I will not be actually using this one. So once you have this, write it down to a paper, and once you have it, click Next. Here I'm just going to paste this one. Click Next. We are not going to use any encryption for this. For our purpose we don't need this. Just click Finish. And in this window we are just going to click View and Addresses. Here you can basically see all your receiving addresses that are there on the screen here, from m/o/o all the way to m/o/19. And here are basically some of your change addresses, but we are only going to use this. I recommend taking the top one and only copying this address here or here. But basically you are just going to use this one as your cold storage that you have created fully offline. It's fully private, air gapped, and no one can basically ever link it to you if you do everything correctly and don't do anything stupid. So this one you can just share with whoever you are buying your Bitcoin from. So I can just paste it here like this. I can take a picture. I have this already copied. I can send this. I can copy it. And yeah. That's basically it. So when you turn off your machine, it will never remember what you did with Tails Linux. So it's perfect for this, for our purpose, creating fully offline anonymous Bitcoin wallet. So if you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section, and thank you for watching.